Hey, hi. We all need product ideas, don't we? A lot of us, like builders, entrepreneurs, founders, product managers, anyone who wants to build a digital business, we always have this that we need to build something. But blocker one, you don't know how to code. Yeah, that's a very common problem that a lot of builders face. But hopefully with no code, which is a concept which is building up, which is based on visual programming, things are changing. I've made a couple of videos on my YouTube channel already on no code, which you can find it in the I button, or you can go to my channel and search for no code. But even with no code, you have the tool, but you don't have the idea yet. You don't know what kind of idea people will be willing to pay or use, right? So that's a problem that even I have been facing for quite some time. But your first product need not be something way out of the box, right? You, even if you're able to find some idea somewhere which you know that it's gonna work, you would try to replicate it and make use of it, right? So I'm going to show you a really good website where you can see and get a lot of no code ideas for free. So this is the website. This website basically talks about everything for your next no code startup or project. This is a very good resource. Already 4,000 creators and makers have sort of signed up to this platform. This website is known as a side project stack, and it primarily focuses on no code stacked projects, which it features where you'll be able to discover all these amazing ideas that already founders have sort of built. You can go into each of these products and read a complete teardown of the product, like what tools have they used, what is the problem that they are solving, what kind of initial traction have they seen, how did they build it, is it worth building it, and all that stuff, right? So all you need to do here, this is the landing page, very interesting. Now what I'm gonna do is like go to Showcase, right? Here in Showcase you can also put your product if you do build something in the future, but I'm gonna go to here. Here you can look at every category of projects that you can find on side project stack, right? And then you have different levels. If you are a starter, if you have minimum sort of a skill set in no code, you want to build on some ideas which are very basic, and so sort of at least get started in your no code journey and building products, you can go with the starter stack. Let's just go with it for now. And then you have this really awesome filter which is about revenue. You can add if the project is with revenue or without revenue. But as you go further, you should always prefer to sort of make revenue out of the projects that you build. That's the core concept, right? You're building something to be self-sustainable, create some income for yourself on the side, and build such products, right? We'll just go with revenue here, right? When you see this, you get a list of these, a lot of products that fit your criteria. Another product, and I can click on view site. I'll be able to go through the site of this thing. Yeah, this is it. So this is the website of the product. They say join, read, meet. I think it's like a book club. Yeah, it's a Rebel book club. You'll be able to discover books, libraries, bookshops, and all that stuff, right? This is a product. It's awesome, but you'll be able to read about the maker as well. You'll be able to see the stack, how many hours have they put in to build this. So, and then what it is, what did I learn, everything, right? The original stack, how much time did it take? Then he updated it to something else, like how much time did it take, and all that stuff. These details are really important, right? Say if you're gonna build something similar, having these sort of ideas shared by someone who has already built something like this is a great way to sort of learn about this product. And doing so, what it does is like you can go out onto this website, side project stack, you can explore multiple such ideas, look at what they have used to build this product. Here he has used at the starting strikingly Typeform, Go cardless, then he shifted the stack, right? If you are able to check out all such examples, where you can see different kinds of side projects and see what all tools they have used, how much time has it taken, did it really work, is it worth building it, how did he grow. All that stuff is what you can find on Side Project Stack. Isn't that mind-blowing, right? That's very interesting. You're able to find out things about something that you're willing to build well before you actually build it. So if you're someone thinking of building some projects in your portfolio, or building some side projects, this is a great way to sort of build your first no-code projects by copying someone who has already built this project out there, and also go through all the backstory that's behind the product and sort of learn about it. And if you do find it promising, you go ahead and build it for yourself and sort of get similar results. And the next no-code idea could be something that you think of your own, and this is a great starting point to start off with to build your first no-code project. Yeah, I really hope you find this website interesting. I'll link basically Side Project Stack in the description below. I really hope you find it useful, and yeah, that's it for this video. And yeah, if you do have any friends who are thinking about building side projects, or any founders, builders, designers, developers, product managers who might find this video useful, who are thinking about starting up or building a product but not being able to build it, or if they're overthinking, you can give them a solution of not overthinking it by bringing them to Side Project Stack. Just sharing this video with them to help them discover this free resource, which they can go ahead and explore and basically take action and sort of build their first no-code startup or side project. Yeah, do share it with them. If you did like this video and if you found it useful, just press the like and add a comment. It would really help me a ton. And with that, this is Balaji signing off.